In this video, we're going to talk about different kinds of communications that occur in Canvas. One type are called announcements, and the other are called messages. We're going to start with announcements. Announcements can be found on the home page of a specific Canvas course. You'll find announcements over here on your announcements page. You can also find announcements here in the inbox on your left-hand side menu. You'll see here that announcements are not currently highlighted. The reason for that is that this course does not yet have any announcements that have been made by the instructor. We'll click on the Announcements tab first and explore what this may look like. You'll see that there are no announcements yet to show. An example of a course that has an announcement will appear like this. I've created an announcement for a class, and you'll see an unread announcement will have a bolded title. Courses with a variety of announcements from a variety of senders, including TAs or fellow instructors, will have a variety of different profile pictures from each sender. To view the announcement, all you need to do is press on the profile of the announcement. You can read the announcement, and if you would like to reply, just press the reply button. When finished, you can just toggle away. The second kind of communication are messages. Messages can be sent from your inbox on the left-hand menu. To access messages, press on the inbox. Then, to send a message, you can press on the little leaf which says to compose a new message. This will create a new kind of email message that is specific to Canvas. You can then send it to any individual within the Canvas system, write a subject, and then your message. If you would like your message to be sent to each individual separately, click this small button here. You can also attach attachments or videos. Then press send. Currently, I'm in our Introduction to Canvas mailbox. However, you'll have a specific mailbox for each course that you're taking. To view the inbox for each course that you're taking, or to view a mailbox for all the courses, you can press this drop-down button here. That's all in communications. Thanks for watching.